today. Today is our last day. It's hot, sunny. The water's really warm, and we woke up and we're in Florida now because look how clear this is.
The water is clear.
And there is jellyfish though, and people are getting stung. Apparently it's really bad. So
Insert jellyfish footage. One beer can turn into.
The chair! Most baby!
The first ones. Bye! So long! Farewell! Bye!
See you back in Texas. They noticed. They noticed. I hate the color scheme. Oh, really?
Woo!
Here's a football. Should just take the cigarettes.
Bye, Harrison.
See you later. Merry Christmas to all. To all of you guys.
dickheads.
Peace out.